What your name be? What your name be? What's your name be? What your name be?
My name Age.
Age of who?
Age of Arnold.
Ooh. What your name be? Check him out.
Just post this on YouTube.
What your name be?
My name be Age of Arnold.
Your name be who?
Age of Arnold.
What's your name be over him? What's your name be?
Look.
Oh, but how it's supposed? Oh, it automatically comes down.
Oh, they tight.
Yeah, it is. So it just automatically. Okay. That's cool.
John, what you finna buy? Give me that camera, man. I ain't give it to you before you stick it in your back pocket and drop it. I could've gave it to Area.
She gave me this.
That ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
What's the mama supposed to hold?
You supposed to be recording with it.
I had to.
I'm getting the Area next time.
So we're in the mall shopping.
So what I'm trying to do first is try on every
Don't
shade.
be lame. Come on, let's go.
So the first one is these. How do you look? I don't really like these. Let's try some other kind. Let's see. We have these. So look, well, y'all see we got different type of jewelry right now.
Right now we at Target. I lost my watch. No, I ain't actually lose. I actually broke. So Target got a 3 on sale. I'm about to get it. And I'm gonna be back in the Apple Watch game. I'll show it back to y'all once I get it.
She lost her watch.
And yeah, I didn't lose my watch.
She lost her
I
watch.
broke it. So we was playing. He accidentally hit it and broke it. Then I got to work and I hit it on the wall and then I broke it. So we at Target to give me another.
How two people break one watch?
Because
You was playing around.
How do two people break one watch? That don't even make no sense.
it does make sense,
That
y'all.
don't make no sense.
He was playing. He
Two
broke
people
it.
broke one watch.
He broke it, y'all. You gotta believe it.
My watch ain't broke, so it don't
But
matter.
mine is, and he finna help me buy a new one.
Bust out. Where I finna go? What the exit? What the exit at?
So we gotta find.
So look, y'all. If it, I'm so sorry. No, I'll be at LB.
Yeah, about to get beat up by that lady in here.
Look, y'all. We in Target. If it was good to him, cause if your car was hot, like you got this car hot, and back was itchy.
That was your breath.
No, that was not my breath. Y'all check out my truck though, for real though. Check out my truck though. You can see me here. Yeah, you feel me? You feel me? Got the truck.
No.
Yeah, we almost had that trainers. They supposed to be holding my watch. If they don't hold my watch, I'm gonna be mad because I called a long time ago. They told me they can hold it to the end of the night. Target closes at 11 tonight, so my watch still better be behind this counter.
Oh, I like this color. Oh, hi. She's a good.
Hey man, stop bumping me, man.
Well, no. That yeah.
You called for one earlier? It's one in there with the sticker. Yeah.
Oh, this. The what?
Yeah. See, yeah, we got my name on it.
Huh? Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you. You over there. She's still in that phone, y'all. She's still in the phone. Get that phone out your pocket. Make sure you stealing. Oh, watch just broke. They just broke her watch, y'all.
Do you want apple care on this?
You step on my drill. Get back.
Hang on. Let me check and see.
Hi, Ade. Who's y'all?
Well, that's your fault.
It'll be $49 for 2 years.
My watch ain't broke. So I ain't never broke my watch.
So look, so that's without the should I add it on there?
I won.
Okay. Well,
But you broke your watch, so.
you broke it first.
Man, come on, that man got other people got here.
I gotta get on there. I gotta add on there right now.
CJ, couldn't she just buy this and then she can add that onto her Apple Care? Yeah. So she buys this and then, or I gotta do that first, then get the receipt. It's best to do it all together. Yeah. So what you do, you will go on that string and scan it. So you want the Apple Care for it?
I don't know. We're still trying to decide.
It's $49, like $49 for 2 years. $49 for 2 years.
Only one bill.
Because I'm asking if you really wanted it before. Because if you do, he would need your ID to go ahead and fill the information out. And if you're not, he'll be filling all that out, and you don't really need. That's why I'm giving you the price for it.
Don't worry about it.
Don't add it on there.
You get some cash with it too.
So you should give me that anyway. I'm just fine.
I mean, that's for the. But the Apple Care is really good because you know if you damage anything on there, it's almost $200 to get the smallest thing fixed.
I know.
I know she just broke one. That's why she buying another.
So,
But if she break this one, you probably gonna just get the new. I won't come back and buy 2 no more.
That's a 3.
I mean, I won't come back and buy 3 no more. I would just buy the latest one. If you break it again, if she break it again, she don't need no watch.
I agree. I know. I agree.
Yeah.
I know you off the clock. Can you get something for her?
Yeah. She got mad, caught mushed though, but she don't get in front of the camera. Bam, 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 bam. Okay then. Chap lip shower. Get them lips right.
So is it a music video? You can go Hot Girl Summer or something because he's definitely shooting a video of Hot Girl Summer. I'm just getting in it, you know.
Get on in it then.
What?
Hey y'all.
Y'all have an awesome day.
She trying to use that card that ain't got no money on it.
Oh no, baby.
Everybody keep your finger crossed. See if the card go through.
Yeah. I ain't got one anyways.
Hey, her card declined, right? Oh, it didn't decline, y'all.
How you just don't wish my card declined? No, but that's trying to put on.
Hey y'all. So look, today my dad did a photo shoot and we drones or whatever.
I did a what?
We did pictures of house. Okay.
If you want to slow, you're not gonna be in the video.
I don't know what to say. We're being doing something.
Is that a Casio calculator or is that a Texas?
That's a Oh, these are Hey. Hey. This is Ariel. How you doing today? So deep in my feelings. Who that behind you on the other side? Oh. Broke my watch. Yeah. Woo.
Do it, ears.
Wait.
Bush move.
Huh? Teach you how to drive.
You know the Mercedes.
Bust it, Zane. Bust it, Zane. Do your Fortnite.
My dad took some pictures of some houses. You know, went to Target. He got the camera
You
real
too
close.
close down here, God. Y'all run. Leave here, run. Leave here, run. Let's go. She coming, y'all. She coming. Come here. Go that way, baby. You're right. She done caught us.
Look at her.
Wait.
She ran a way that you can't even get out the stuff.
Special ed. I left all them.
Okay.
Did you start running first?
I ain't even
Yes,
run.
no, he went on the other side.
I was just doing that. I seen all y'all run.
I'm tired.
I took out like Batman.
What?
I was on the stairs. Then look at her twin.
Y'all is crazy. I'm sitting here right behind him. I thought you took out running too. I was like, that's somebody I'm going to go. You can't go out this stuff? Yeah, I'm tall. Right behind him.
Little ear. Could went up right there.
That was, oh, never mind.
The escalator, man. You retarded. Alright, good.
Thank you. And I got my watch. If I would have come in here and they had my watch, we would have been in here fighting. And they would have kicked us out of Target. But they had my watch with my name on it. It still got my name on it. See? It say hold for Kierra on it. I called today. Told them to hold the silver
I
on
didn't
it.
see the name.
Kierra on it. That's
I
my
still
name.
can't see it.
Watch it, make it quick.
Keep moving.
Had my name on it. With the date that I called and I had to the internet.
And now we leave the Target. And we should be going home by now.
Shut up, y'all retarded.
She got ice on. She got ice on. Yeah, about me.
Neither one, she didn't buy. Ryan, get off the wall. Damn, you got my nerve.
By who? What you gonna do? That's how you fight. I see why you be getting beat up.
Nah, I know how to fight. No pulling hand, go straight hand.
Nah, that ain't gonna cut it, player. That ain't gonna cut it.
12-year-old recovering in the hospital and a 15-year-old is being discharged after someone shot them and they left a high school. Harbor High High School last night.
I ain't even get it.
Police have not identified any victims yet, but they were innocent bystanders. Investigators will likely start going over the record.
What bad for you, Dad?
Here in Metro Atlanta. Video I got on a truck Tennessee yesterday.
Ugly braids, ugly wig, ugly braids.
We just hate it.